What is going on, man? It's your boy Tre.Trades back in with another trading video. Real NQ smacker, man. It is Monday, so the beginning of a new week. Y'all already know what we're trying to do, man. We're trying to put straight belt to the market, bro. Get some bread and yeah, get up out the market and get on with the rest of the day. We got about 4 minutes and 30 seconds left until we hit market open. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark up my chart really quickly for you guys, and then we're gonna jump to the trading session during 9:30. So what I like to do is I like to start at the daily. Right here, this purple line is going to indicate the previous, not the previous day high, but all-time highs is also previous day high as well. So I'm not going to actually mess with that one. However, for this counter right here, I am going to indicate it with a red line. Literally all I do with the daily. You can use dailies as draws on liquidity. So I have one to the upside and now to the downside. Drop to the 4 hour. I honestly don't really mess with the 4 hour too much. I kind of just look at it to see what's there. I see that you kind of have a zone right here that if we break through this, we likely would continue selling at least down to the 50. I'm not gonna really mess with that. Hourly, that's where I like to eat at. That's where I like to mark zones at, right? So I'll mark this right here, and then I like to mark mine with black. I'm actually gonna pull this down a little bit because if we get above here, that's when I would expect us to set buy up, and I would want to look for a long position up in this area, depending on what the 5-minute and 15-minute zones look like as well. Targeting previous that high. Right now we're about what? Say, how many points away is this? It's a pretty good deal away. I honestly think there's a good chance we could sell off. We got a lot of sell side liquidity building up. 30-minute. We kind of actually under the zone on the 30-minute, which could do something potentially. I also changed the color coding up on these zones as well. When just so like I kind of have a good understanding of what I'm doing or whatever, right? So I know what I'm seeing. And remember, the higher time frame zones, those are going to be zones that you want to use because they offer more confirmation. And then I like to use the hourly zones as like my TP levels as well, right? Let me go back to the hourly. Got another hourly zone I want to mark up here, but this is also previous day low down here in this area. Then from there, I'm going to the 5-minute, marking up zones. However, I'm just going ahead and add my levels of TPs, right? So I see liquidity here. I like to mark it at the wicks. That's just how I mark mine. For sell side, it looks like we got a lot down here. I'm not gonna mark those because by that point in time, I'll probably be out the trade. Got 2 minutes until market open. And then I'm going to look for a buy side as well because you just never know where market's gonna go, right? So this would be potential buy side right here at this level. And then I'm looking at the time frames, right? Or the time. So I see that this high right here, these relative equal highs, is at around 4 a.m. So that's like considered like London high almost, even though some people consider it just from 12 to 3. I like to consider this London high as well. So I will mark that up. Outside of that, for buy side, it's a few more targets, but like I said, right here, I'll probably be out the trade. So I'm not going to actually mark it up, but this would be considered a TP level, and I would be watching this to see how we react. However, I will potentially just be looking for sales based off how the chart looks right now in this area, simply because we have the 200, the 13, and the 50 EMA above. So fighting through all those time frames could be counterproductive, basically, if you're trying to take a trade. And we're selling right now, so we're in a downtrend, so I really want to be looking for sales. But yeah, that's really how quick I just mark up my charts. And then for a 5-minute zone, I'm going to go ahead and mark this. Now, there are 2 entries that I like to go off of. So it could be for, what do you call it? Break of the candle, boomerang, or also a looking forward to break through the zone. So
I didn't hear what you said. Yeah, what?
I'm talking to the camera right now. All right, so I'm gonna mark this up. I'm gonna mark the 925 candle up as well. But it looked like price bouncing off this 30-minute zone right here, as you can see. So we would have to get back under this 30-minute zone. If we get back under this 30-minute zone, I would look to sell from here. And hopefully we'll continue falling. So
get me out of debt. Get me out of debt.
Order rejected.
Oh shit, what the fuck? Oh, this is on NQ. I fucked up. I needed to go to fucking micros, bro. I just marked everything on the wrong one. Fuck it, we here though. We here though. It's cool. Fuck it.
But I hate
We trade micros today.
NQ is just fire.
Yeah, it is. It looked like it's about to keep pushing though, but the boomerang, I might take a boomerang entry maybe.
What y'all train? I need to
I missed the entry, bro. Fuck, I missed the entry. Tay, be quiet. Why you yelling? Damn, nigga missed the entry, bro.
Yeah, that shit did go.
It took off quick as a bitch. Now we trade NQT. It hit the first target.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
that shit happened so fast, bro. And it boomerang too. I just
It be the days where his price look good, that niggas miss out on. YM doing the same thing.
that's really my fault only because I was trying to make this fucking video, bro. I would have took that trade though, but
Let's see what they do.
but then it's also buying up into all these EMAs too, but whatever.
Yeah, that's why.
This shit about to just probably keep pushing, gang. I'm gonna look for someone on 1 minute, then. That shit pushing. Damn.
I'm talking about, and that bitch ran a good amount before it even slowed down. Nigga, this a 20-point candle.
Mm-hmm. This zone right here, it's an hourly zone that's approaching. So I don't know if we want to reject off that. If we can get a candle that retrace a little bit and then break back up, I would look to take a long position from there. If we can get something like that, but if not, then that shit cooked. Fuck. That would have been a really good entry. There was a limited zone too. We could have got in on. It is what it is though. Around.
Hitting this resistance right here.
Yeah. Damn, bro. That sucks.
Yeah, the 929 candle came and bought back into the range, and then this next candle just flew. We could have got in off the 929, buying back into the range for real.
Yeah. Damn, bro. Realized that shit way too late. That would have been a really good entry to take, bro. Especially if it boomerang, but it happens. It look like we about to keep pushing through this zone, bro.
We're gonna take our bot side up here.
Yeah, I see us targeting all-time highs is right there. It look like we about to get through this zone, hit this next target too.
Yeah, I got buy side at 308.
308, yeah, I got the same one. Then I got all-time highs at 320.
It's just like how overextended this shit is, though, bro. Like taking a buy, breaking out of this zone, and you get caught in the fucking retracement type shit. Or pull back.
Yeah, I might have to drop down and go 5 micros, bro, and then we'll add. I'm mad I got down. That's my fault, though. Nobody to blame but myself on that one. I'm gonna live with that. We'll mark this up.
We having that retracement a little bit now. It keeps selling off some.
Fuck. Yeah, this hourly. It's holding out this hourly right here. It look like.
Yeah, this shit was a good setup though, cause this bitch took out sell side. We should have known that bitch was gonna spike to the other end of the range for real.
Yeah. Probably gonna go 5 micros today then. I was gonna go 10, but I want to make sure my entry is valid. Stay in. If they get above the zone, probably just gonna have to take that shit. Give myself a 25-point stop on this. That should be good enough. Cause it should just come back and retest the zone if it even do that. Or I really should be looking for a what's the name? Yeah, I could have looked for a retracement too. That's my fault.
It really didn't come down and tap shit yet.
No, it's retested the zone on the 1 minute. It's been retesting it.
So if we break, I got a buy limit for 1.
Yeah.
304.
I just feel like it's 934, so the 935 counter probably is about to come in and stall out for a second then. Especially if we don't get above this zone. Which is buying back down. That counter for a boomerang entry would have been really good. Should have took that shit.
Okay, yeah, you're right. I'm gonna take this order off right now. It's just if it break through this zone, then like I said, buy side literally on the other end of that motherfucker.
Yeah, we're right there on it.
Man, this would have been a great fucking trade. That bitch didn't even come close to coming back to break even.
It'd be like that. I'll mark out this 930 counter now. I hope this bitch don't boomerang and keep pushing, cause we is right here on this shit. Man,
We just tapped it.
Yeah.
We just took out. We could take our buy side. I don't think it's another buy side level close to here.
I got all-time highs right there.
Yeah.
Kind of want to wait though. I don't know. Like, yeah, I'm probably just gonna have to wait some days on this one.
I can see what YM doing.
And we see
YM bought all the way to the top of the range and rejected off that bitch crazy.
Let's see. This might be a good area for sales right here if we break through this.
But it ain't no wick on mine to this candle, to this
downside.
Right now.
Yeah, I see the same.
There ain't no wick to the upside. This bitch breaking out though.
This is a good thing. Damn, man. Fucking NQ, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Fucking NQ, man. Oh my goodness, it's still pushing, bro. It's about to take out all-time highs, bro. Should have took that bitch, I guess, right there.
Yeah, I had that order there, but I was thinking about what you said. Like the 935 candle can sometimes be like that retracement candle, then 940 come in and be the candle to actually go.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I'm probably not gonna do that shit again that soon, that close to the video. Sorry. I feel like that kind of threw me off, low-key. I came back like 30 seconds left. Yeah, I see it.
Damn, if I'd have kept that order there, that would have been a good little.
I might just have to push this, push for goddamn NQ, not NQ, but what's this shit called? YM. Yeah, bro. It's under the zone now.
Yeah, it's just, I don't like this bitch, don't got no weak, bro.
Yeah.
Order rejected.
Why I keep, I'm tripping. Yeah, I got a limit order set now. I'm gonna trail it up. See, you start falling down from here.
Order filled.
Alright, tapped in sales on YM. They got a pretty large stop loss on this, actually.
How many are you using?
Use one. But, I mean, I'm gonna add another one probably if we get back under some more. But it's breaking under the zone. Oh, my shit freezing. I'd be annoyed with that shit. Like, why the fuck do we be freezing, gang?
Damn.
What?
Well, so it's big as fuck.
Yeah.
Alright, I got mine right at the, if we break back below this low right here. I just got tapped.
For YM?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
And sales, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah, I'm only risking 2/5 right now. I do see this bitch don't have a wick, but I don't know if it operate how NQ do with the wick. You know what I'm saying? So
As long as we can get a closure below this zone right here, I feel good about it because we went all the way to the top of the range and took out a lot of this buy side. And then sold all the way back down, rejected off that 50. So it looked good.
This is also the 935 counter too. I wonder how this, bruh, it's just so many, like, it be unknowns and shit when you be fucking with a pair you don't trade for real like that. Yeah, if we get back under this shit though, it's gonna add another contract on and we'll see if it's gonna keep falling. Let's see if this 13 hold right
We
here.
got this other support zone right here, like 566.
Yeah, I kind of want to like move my stop loss down. I could take a small loss in this for like one some instead of a full loss potentially. It's like, cause this shit really sitting in the middle now that I'm looking at it too more.
Yeah, it's struggling to close below this zone too. Unless in these next couple of seconds it's gonna finish closing.
Tay, you in the trade? We got the wick now. Let's see what this bitch do. Hopefully this candle stay under. If it do, then we should be good. If not, then this shit cooked.
Yeah.
But if it get back above 654, it's probably gonna keep buying up at that point. Yeah, we actually in a fucking uptrend now. Looking at this on the hourly, I probably should analyze this more instead of just going off the 5-minute zone. And yeah, it's like it will be buying or selling into a demand zone that like has a breaking structure. It's looking kind of rough. Not gonna lie.
Shit, if it's 13.
We here though.
Yeah.
Is anybody still looking at NQ? Is NQ doing damn? NQ just fucking ripping. Fucking rip, bro. Like I'm talking about nasty business, bruh. Jesus, 70 points, bro. Just damn, bro. That's
left on the
fucked.
fucking table.
Yeah. I think I might trail my stop loss down to this high right here because we come back probably gonna flip from there, and I don't want to do that. So I'm only risking 195, but we're gonna see. It's back at the zone though.
Yeah, I'm gonna profit now. I'm gonna be risk on too on this because I don't see it having to come back above this zone.
Yeah.
I got in literally at the break of that low though, so my stop is like, you know, granted though it gave me a decent size stop.
Hopefully go close through the zone. If we do that, then this look kind of good. Look like it might. All right, close at it, but didn't close through it on the one. I'm gonna hold this beat though. We gonna see though, twin.
Order filled.
All right, tap me into another position on this. So.
I'm in on two with 2 cons on this.
Damn, that only put me at 600. This shit ain't got no real. What the fuck? Trash ass shit, nigga. Damn, that shit trash. What candle this is? This is a 935 candle. This is a 940 candle. Hopefully we go close out then. The TP where I got set at then. Ass as fuck. Egertons. Hopefully this candle be some momentum. We get a breakthrough here.
I'm trying to see. I don't even know what the whatchamacallit is.
The break-even point. I don't know what the break-even point would be for this, but we're in a little bit of profit now, so.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah.
I'm about to hit target 1.
Yeah, I see that. I guess I go break-even at target 1 then. Yeah. We'll go in here, bro.
Same.
Screen. My shit stay freezing. I swear to God. That is the gayest shit ever. But yeah, hit target 1 on break even.
We got target 2 at, what's this? 552. And there's another one at, damn, if we can move over. 552, 546.
Order filled.
Like I marked.
Yeah, it tapped me out of that one, break even. Hit that
It look
target.
like it might do it. It look like it might do the same. So mine will keep.
That's on there.
That's the first trade.
Once we decide to
Damn.
flip and flood.
NQ just still buying. Fucking NQ. I might get in off this. If we get a tap at this 13, we get a rejection. I might take a long.
Excuse me. Yeah. Bro, how? This shit about to piss me off. How the fuck I have my stops at $50 on YM? Like $50 at break even.
Yeah.
These bitches gave me $24.
Yeah, I had mine at 45. Gave me 29.
Like,
Yeah.
what the fuck type of shit?
Oh, shit.
Damn, niggas. Man. I should have just left that limit order there to break it at hourly zone.
Shit, this bitch is ripping, bro. It's fucking nuts.
Yeah, this candle looks crazy.
God, holy shit.
Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy.
Bro.
I'm talking about wow, bro.
Today was a beautiful day.
That's wild. Damn. What's the gold doing? Gold doing the same shit. Gold just buying too. Bro, everything. What the fuck? Fucking shit. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. If we can get back under 589, then I'll take another sell on YM. However, this look like we hit this target. It also like a demand zone too down here that we kind of tapped. So you go get this from two different perspectives now, and then they get to break this candle. We get above that 50 too. Probably keep longing.
Yeah,
It was like I said, it was already in an uptrend on this bitch, bro. It looked like.
I ain't gonna lie, it look like YM is about the only motherfucking option right now.
Nah, for real, for real. I swear. We got some sales out down here too, though.
Yeah, it look like it's a break and retest on this motherfucker, this hourly zone.
Nigga didn't even think to look at ES though. I don't ever trade ES though, so it's like.
Shit, King, the nigga who should be calling out ES trade.
You trade ES, bro?
That was
Yeah,
his
that's
shit.
what I used to do. That's what I got with y'all.
I heard niggas who trade ES gay, but I mean, you know what I'm saying? That's just me.
Crazy, bro.
Don't fuck with you, bro.
Just did the same thing NQ did, bro.
Damn, bro.
I knew it was gonna be a little fucked up because I don't think nobody placed limit orders before the open started. Like,
I would have just got down was that shit caught me off guard because I was gonna take a break at not a break at the counter but a boomerang entry and it was there too. That shit moved hella fast. Also when it jumped on the open,
yeah.
cause it boomerang but it did it super quick.
So like we look like we failed. We came back and tapped the 13. We look like we failing to get back above this zone. I'm trying to figure out if I did take shorts, where would it be at? Granted though, like you said, looking at the higher time frame, we is looking in the uptrend.
Yeah. We is, yeah.
Well,
Now on the 15, it definitely look like we pushing up, but where's previous day high and low on this? Let's see. Previous day high and low. I got that marked up, so that's actually there. Then we'll change that red. And previous day highs right here. It actually been kind of been like ranging a little bit. It seemed like, but I want to see us get above this 13.
for buy.
Yeah. On the 5, but the 1 minute look kind of promising. They don't got no wick though. I'm seeing so.
Shit, the 1 minute look like a lot of chop.
Yeah, low-key. And Q still fucking buying. Boy. One of these candles, a 50-point candle, my nigga.
I ain't gonna lie, niggas would have been up.
Facts. Only thing they can hope for is some type of retracement now.
I ain't gonna lie, this one of those days where we put stops to break even, and that bitch, like I said, that bitch never came. It never
Just
came back.
fucking rip. Let's just go. Before I even argue. Yeah. This shit ain't really did nothing. We get 945, about to be even 950. Yeah, we definitely get back under 590. I think we're gonna sell off because this 13 is holding right here. It's continuing to hold. We get above it though. I think that we'll buy because it's also creating like another little zone and shit as well for structure. So.
We failed to make a higher high though.
Ooh,
open. That opening candle bought all the way up to the top of the range and then sold off. That's why I was like, shit, I'm cool with sales because it would have made a higher high right there if we was gonna start buying. But do this shit got a wick on y'all?
Nah.
Okay, cool.
It does not, my friend. It does not.
But
And it's selling off again.
Yeah, I was just about
Like,
to say,
bro, I'm not
like
taking
we
that
said,
though,
we don't
bro.
know-
I'm not taking that.
We don't know if that bitch moved like in Q or not.
Yeah, I'm not taking that. That looked good, but nah. And I would have already had to go break even because we're coming up on this fucking zone again that it already tapped. So stops would have immediately went to break even quick as a bitch.
We got a retracement. I'm gonna make that top with.
You. We're staring at the window. Yeah, I want to see what we do on this NQ Motherfucker. The motherfucker. Little marker right there type shit.
I'm talking about, bro, this shit rocket. This shit rockety, bro.
Nah, for real. That's rough. It'd be like that though. I took that entry though.
Niggas ain't.
What he say?
Nigga, I'm trying to save my account, remember? You forgot?
That nigga said I'm so fucking pissed.
Nah, I'd be
I'm
alright.
trying to
We'll catch another
I
trade.
had a drawdown.
I feel that game. That's my fault, bro. I ain't need to laugh, bro.
Yeah, we're gonna catch the trade, bro. I wouldn't even trip about that shit.
Yeah, bro. It's gonna give us something. Like I said, this is the creative. I
Just
kind of
giving me-
fucked us. Look, I jinxed us though. No cap. I'm gonna say that right now, bro. Because before the market opened, I was looking at it and I was like, oh, this might be one of those days. We just gotta be real patient. And if I didn't say that, we
It wasn't
probably
none
all
of that,
got
bro.
in on the opening. Look, we probably would all got in on.
Wasn't none of that.
Let's see.
Marcus said, they patient, bet.
Hey, I'm about to take a buy on YM, I think though. I got a limit order set.
13.
Yeah, I want one set right here. If we get above this, then I think we're gonna
We
want.
tapping. Look. We tapping the 52 on the 15 minute. So take that into consideration.
Order filled.
I see that. I do. I'm still willing to long this bitch though. We shouldn't be coming back under this zone, so I'm only risking 1/5 on this as of right now. But if we get a little higher than I'm at,
We breaking through that shit.
Order filled.
I'm just at now. Let's see.
When do I break even on YM, bro?
That's a good question, brother.
Man, that shit going. That was a good trade, bro.
I'm not gonna go break even just yet on this though, just because of these zones might send it back down for a second. But I'm only risking 215 on this, even with 2 cons on right now.
If we can get some type of retracement, I'll hop in. I want to get in back around the 13 if they give me that opportunity.
I feel that. This look good on the 1 though.
Shit, it was good on the 5 too, and it broke through the 50 and the 13 on the 15 minute.
I'll go break even on it. I think I'm actually going to lock in some profit too, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I just want a $200 day. I'm not gonna cap. I got $200 locked in today, so it's winning day for me today. I'm cool with that. And we have the zone, so we might reject. I'll take it. It's a small win for today, but hey, if not, let's see if we go hit these full targets up here at 671. That's how you lock in the win, though, chat. We got it done again today. Really wish we had caught the NQ trade, but unfortunately, it does not work like that every single day. But there's always tomorrow. What I do like, and I want you guys to notice, is the fact
Order
that
filled.
I got tapped out of the trade. So in profit, I'm walking away with $228 across 4 accounts today. But me and the team, we were very patient with the trade that we did decide to take today. So we didn't like rush it just because we seen it taking off. We decided to be patient. So that's what I really want to stress to you guys, is that you have to be patient in order to make money while trading, and just sit on your hands sometimes. And this was one of those days where I felt like we all acted like professionals. So I'm proud of y'all. But yeah, so that's gonna be the trading day for me, guys. Until next time on a better living. But real quick, I guess I'll break this down also while we are here. So basically, what I was seeing was we had this demand zone, right, marked up that I marked this demand zone out. We also had liquidity sitting down here that looked like we grabbed liquidity. For the most part, we had this 5-minute demand zone, and I was waiting for a break of the candle and also for us to get back above the 13. I did have different zones marked up as well on the 1 minute and the 5 minute for you guys to be able to see. This green marking is going to be the 1 minute zone. If we were to get above this candle, also being a confirmation for us to get above the 13 EMA, then I was going to long this position. We had a nice rejection on this 5-minute candle, so I did, and then look, target just hit full TP. Either way, we would have been done, but I was cool with taking profit just because it was locking in a winning day for me today, man. And yeah, you just gotta take what the market give you sometimes. So, like I said, man, until next time, on a better living.